I can smell it, I asked for it, and they have come in their droves. Kevin Dundon, aka SuperValu, aka Dunbrody House. Good morning, Kevin Dundon. My God.
Traditional.
What a great advertisement. What'll I go for, Paddy? You tell me.
Go for the traditional here.
Lord, a sausage in the morning, and I know Aoife Cara from AA Road said to me in a proud Monaghan accent, she goes, "I'm absolutely starving," she said to me. Okay, after me. We want sausages!
We want sausages! We want sausages! We want sausages!
This is the biggest week of the year for farming in the agri-food industry, and despite the really bad summer that we've had from a farming point of view, because of huge amounts of rain, people are still in good form. They're still here in huge numbers, and I think there's a really strong presence this year from the retail sector, and SuperValu are a really good example of how we can work with farmers to actually ensure that we provide consumers with what they want, which is homegrown, fresh, traceable, high quality food. And so long may that continue.